Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well in your life. Today it's my 14th, sorry, oh no, sorry. Today it's my 14th day of practicing spoken English. And today I want to share my today's experience. When I wake up at morning, when I woke up at morning, I decided to go to gym. Then I prepared myself to go for gym. Then I hit gym for 2 hours. Then I come back and enjoy a healthy breakfast. Then I prepared myself to leave for work. And I leave at uh, my job timing is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. But I need to present here at 9:30, exact 9:30 a.m. But I leave for work at 8 a.m. because I attended half an hour class before work, and its timing was uh, mm, 8 8 sorry 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. its timing, but I attended for 9 a.m. to 9:25 a.m. and these 5 minutes in 5 minutes I needed to go to my work. Then I do work for 9 hours. Then after the work I go to Rise Academy for learning my English, and I am here to just practicing spoken English. I know I do mistake, I know I get fumble, and I know I get confused between the speaking, but it's my 14th day, so it's okay. After I know I will improve after 365th day of my practicing spoken English. Okay. Now I want to share an experience of today. Today it's a raining day. When I was coming back from my Rise Academy, then there was so much water outside. During the class, it was raining outside, right? And after the class, and the water level is up above the knee level, above the knee, and sometimes it above the uh, it above the what is called above the thigh level also, uh, but the raining was stop at that time. So I cover my bag with polythene wrapper because it has important documents and my notebooks, so I cover it by polythene wrapper. Then I took a auto, and the most difficulty for me at that time, because I didn't have change, so uh, I told to auto without sitting inside the auto that I have online, can you take online? And if he said yes, then I sit back. If he said no, then I don't sit back. Then at least 5 to 6 auto reject my online payment. They have don't online source. And after 7th auto I take, and at 10:30 p.m. at 10:30 p.m. I am on the way from office to my home, from Rise Academy to my home. And between this time, uh, through on the way, while traveling, I listen some music which I like. I like most of the Arjit Singh songs because it has feeling and emotions, and I like the emotions. So I listen Arjit Singh music, Arjit Singh song, and then when I reached at my stop, I asked him to show me your QR code. Then he show. Then I take I scan the QR code. Then I paid to him. And when I came back, I eat some nutritious food which provide protein and nutrients to our body, because I am a gym person, so I need to take care of my diet. And and sleep I sleep uh, 11 p.m. 11 p.m. in the night, and I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. So it's 6 hour time to my sleeping. And so I have just completed my 12th, and I don't know what to do in a life, so I decided to learn proficiency in English. And after I learned some fluency in English, then I I will decide to learn computer also. And in India, in India, if I know about computer, if I know how to speak English, if I know how to communicate in English with another person with fluency, then in India the company will pay to me minimum 30,000 per month. So this is my basic task to achieve, and after that I will think something about great. Okay, so I hope you don't like my speaking, because I also don't like it, but I will improve. I can I I am practicing on a daily basis. I am here not to get views. I am here to just practicing my spoken English. Okay, it's 7 minutes completed. Now 3 minutes left. So in 3 minutes, I just want to say you that as you want to achieve something in your life, you must have to do hard work, and you must have to do dedication, and you have to follow up your passion with so much dedication. So in last, uh, I am I am on the roof of my building, and it's raining. It's slowly raining, and I am walking on the roof and speak in my phone recording. And the tiny drops the tiny drops fall on my screen of the mobile, and when I see it from the bottom of the phone, it's like the water droplets put on my phone, and it's fall back. It's like amazing. It seems like amazing. And now 9 minutes completed. I don't know what to speak. Okay, in class, my teacher Ravel sir gave us topic, uh, to speak, to conversation with a manager who also want to learn English in our academy. So they gave us topic about Dory. First they gave us topic about business or business or job. Then I am in the favor of business, and another person, manager, who was in the favor of job. So first of all, I said if I know how to do business, I can achieve something great in my life. And they said, in business you have to follow many risks, you have to go through many risks, and it's very risky. but in job you are very secure. You need to do only 9 to 5 hour work, but and after the month your salary will be credited. And then I said, in business, if you in a start, if I do hard work for our business, then will not do I will not need to do work in the old age. My workers do whatever they want to do. Okay, and it's 10 minutes completed now. Now it's time to leave. So take care and keep rising, keep growing. And I hope